Hey everyone, welcome to Two Car Pros. My name is Ryan. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to open your hood when you pull the lever and nothing happens. So the first scenario we're going to go over today is when you pull this and you keep pulling and nothing happens. Don't wrench on it because you could break something. Just leave some tension on it and I'll show you what to do next. Okay, so my first trick is the most fun one. I call it the Fonz. So while you have somebody holding the hood release with a little bit of tension, just give it the old and it comes right up. Try the second one if the Fonz doesn't work. And it works better if you can get your fingers underneath the hood, but it's kind of not that way on this car. Take the hood and push it down and work it around until... There we go. The hood latch gets a little rusted or there gets a little debris in there and it makes the hood latch not work properly. So you're basically massaging that around back and forth until it pops up for you. And then you can just release it fully just like that. So try those two things when the hood release latch has a little bit of tension on there. Don't just wrench it out. So while we're in here, so we don't have this problem again, I would take some WD-40 and just give the hood latch and all the moving pieces a nice hose down. That way, when you're on the side of the road, everything's okay later and you don't need two people. You can even grab a screwdriver and just exercise that a little bit. Don't put your fingers in there. I can even latch it and then hit it with more WD-40. Yeah, just so everything is happy, prevents that rust. If this is super grubby and super dirty, I would also clean that with some brake cleaner carburetor spray, just so everything's working properly. Now I can have somebody pull the latch. Look how awesome that works now. Yeah! All right, so that is scenario one solved. Let's move on to scenario number two. Now the second scenario is that this little dumbbell on the end of the hood release cable falls off. What do you do then? Well, it'll probably be hanging down somewhere accessible. You can actuate this latch and nothing happens because, well, it's not pulling on there. And you'll see this little wire just sticking out. What you're going to want to do is get a pair of vice grips or pliers and you attach it to the cable and link down below in the description for these and you just give it a nice pull. And there you go. The hood pops open and you're in the shade and then you can go open it like normal. And if you're in the scenario where this dumbbell has fallen off, you are in the scenario of replace this cable immediately. Do not wait around on that. Don't keep pulling on this because if this dumbbell fell off, well, the other end is probably not far behind it, and that's the super unfun scenario. So let's go explore that one. So here's the unfun scenario. Now imagine that dumbbell fell off inside. Well, not too bad, you guys saw that, but what if it falls off here? Now, you don't really have access to it because, well, the hood's in the way. Another scenario that happens is it just comes out, like this one's just about to, like this, and the hood latch will never release. And in that case, you are in the unfun boat, and you're gonna have to either access it from the bottom or through the grille, or at worst case, which I think this car really would be, is you're into some form of destruction trying to get that hood to release. And that's just a case-by-case basis, and I can't account for any of that. However, making sure your hood latch functions really easily will minimize the wear on the end of this ball, and you will prevent that if this is nice and lubricated. So hit that with WD-40, kind of no matter what. In this instance, my advice to you, if this has failed, you've tried all the other things and it still won't open, you really need to take a very hard look about how to get this to actuate. And if you can't get it, you might have to take it to a professional who's done it a bunch of times. And again, it's a case-by-case basis. This is kind of funny. This is an aside, but this cable is just about to fail in the unfun way. Look at that, because if this little plastic bit breaks off, the hood will not release. So this is actually a good catch for this video. So what I'm going to do before I get a new cable ordered and just put a new one in is just try to fix it with a zip tie, just so it holds in place for me. It's cheap insurance. Yeah, see, like that. Now, can't come out.
So that is what to do when your hood will not open. I gave you some quick fixes and some preventative maintenance. And of course, that one scenario where it's really a case-by-case basis and you're gonna have to either go from the bottom or unfortunately use destruction. In that case, I would definitely take it to a professional who's familiar with what to do and can minimize the damage and ability to get up there and pop that hood for you. And then of course, replace your hood latch immediately. In all these scenarios, it's a good idea to lubricate your hood latch or replace it if it's really rusty and bad, and replace your cable if it is broken as well. Thank you so very much for watching. If you found this video helpful or interesting at all, please consider becoming a member by clicking that join button down below. It's a direct way to help the channel, and so appreciate it. Barring that, a like, comment, and subscription goes a huge way and tells YouTube that I did a good job, and I really appreciate that as well. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you next time.